Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I recently purchased some Saint Laurent items from Selfridges and saved a lot of money, and I wanted to share my experience with you and share the unboxing. Now I have to say, when I started to look for a Saint Laurent wristlet for myself, I didn't expect to buy anything else, but when I saw the prices were usually about 30% cheaper, I couldn't resist buying things for Christmas presents for my daughter-in-law and my daughter. I'm going to share with you what I bought and prices I paid, and also go over how I got it cheaper. Now I noticed that as I was researching this website for this video, some of the prices are starting to go up. First thing I did was to go to Rakuten, and I'll link the site below, and search for Selfridges. Then I got to Selfridges website from here, and I saved 2 and 6%. because I made several purchases. As you could see by my unboxing of this small card holder, it came with everything: Saint Laurent box, dust bag, care card, as well as Selfridges dust bag. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. I make videos and reviews on luxury items, especially bags and SLGs, lifestyle, and travel. I'd love it if you take a little time to click the subscribe and notification button so that you'd be notified when I upload more videos. Now, this card holder in the US website is $295, and I was able to buy it for $210 plus tax. Now the tax in my state is 8.9%, but I was only charged 7.75% state tax, and there was no additional customs tax because the purchase price was not over $800. When it is over $800, they charge customs tax on the entire amount plus the state tax. This small card case is so cute. I wasn't intending to buy this particular one, but because the price was so good, I just bought it for myself, and I figure I could use it whenever I use really small bags. This next item is what I went to Selfridges to buy. I wanted to give my LV Zoe wallet a break and buy the Saint Laurent monogram leather card holder for $225, and it's $395 in the US. That's a savings of about 43%. Now we're back at the Selfridges website, and this is the item that I bought. Now I want to go through with you how I went about buying this item. Like I said, this was $275, and for delivery, I decided to do global 1-year delivery for $55 rather than paying $30 each time I buy anything from Selfridges. It said complimentary return within 28 days, but I have not had to return anything yet. Now, quickly going back to my unboxing, here's the care card and the price tag, and the long YSL card holder. And I can't yet take off the yellow tag until I know for sure that everything's great. Now, going back to the website, here I added my address, and that adds the state tax. My item was delivered within 3 to 4 days by DHL, and there was no additional surprise hidden costs. Again, now going back to my unboxing, here is my another long YSL card holder, and see the yellow tag? I can't take that out until I'm positive that this is in perfect condition that I like. I'm inspecting it here, and it looked beautiful. I started using it, and I absolutely love this card holder. I can see why my daughter loves it. Going back to the website, let's try buying something over $800 and see what happens. I add this item, which is $900. By the way, this price went up now, and it's $1,200, but it's $1,450 in the US. When I add this item, there's an $81 import duty tax, which makes it 9%. But when I add my shipping address, the taxes and duties come out to be $150.75, which is 16.75%. So the 9% is the customs tax, and 7.75% is my sales tax. The next item is the medium monogram matelasse wristlet, which I bought for $520. Whereas the US prices are $725. So that is a savings of 28%. By the way, I bought this completely separate from my other order so that I don't go over the $800 mark, which is a threshold to pay customs tax. Now I want to show you this toy Lulu bag, which in the US is around $1,800, I think. The Selfridges prices went up recently. It used to be a little over $1,200. Now it's $1,590. But as the inventory gets depleted, the new prices are higher. As you can see, the So Black Toy Loo, which is normally higher than regular hardware, is cheaper now because it still has its old price. By the way, I absolutely love this clutch, and I plan to do a comparison video between this clutch and the next item that I'm going to unbox. The last item I bought, again, separately to stay under the $800 mark, is this beautiful Uptown clutch in dark beige. I paid $463.35, including tax, instead of normal $648 that I would have had to pay in the US. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Go check out Selfridges for cheaper deals and check them out also for other items that normally don't go on sale in the US. The prices seem to be increasing as the inventory gets replenished, so go check them out soon. By the way, I plan to do a comparison video between the Uptown clutch and the Metal SA pouch clutch in the future, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so that you are notified every time I upload more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!